Alright, here's a step-by-step tutorial on how to fix the issue, when you just can't connect to your Wi-Fi network. This guide is pretty general and works for most devices, including Windows laptops, Android phones, and iPhones. If you want instructions that are specific to just one device, just let me know, okay? Step 1. Restart your device. Go ahead and turn off your device completely. Wait for about 10 seconds. Then turn it back on and try connecting again. Step 2. Restart the router. Unplug your router from power. Wait 30 seconds. Plug it back in and wait for all the lights to stabilize. After that, try to reconnect. Alright, step 3 is to forget the network and reconnect. On Windows, you'll want to go to Settings. Then select Network and Internet. Click on Wi-Fi and then Manage No Networks. Now just select the network and click Forget. Finally, try reconnecting by selecting the network again and entering the password. On Android, go to Settings, tap Network and Internet, then Wi-Fi. Tap on the network name and then tap Forget. After that, just reconnect to the network. Alright, so on your iPhone, go to Settings, then tap on Wi-Fi. Next, tap the little eye icon right next to the network. After that, tap Forget this network. Finally, just reconnect to the network. Step 4. Check the Wi-Fi password. Make sure you're entering the correct password, y'all. Passwords are case sensitive, so double check for capital letters, numbers, or special characters. Step 5. Make sure airplane mode is off. Airplane mode disables Wi-Fi, so be sure it's turned off in your device settings. Step 6. Check if other devices can connect. Try connecting another phone or laptop to the same Wi-Fi network. If they can connect, then the problem is with your device. But if they cannot connect, then the issue is likely with the router or network. Step 7. Update your Wi-Fi drivers or software. On Windows, right-click Start and select Device Manager, then expand Network Adapters. Next, right-click your Wi-Fi adapter and choose Update Driver. Finally, choose Search Automatically for drivers. On Android or iPhone, you'll want to check for system updates in your settings under Software Update. Step 8. Reset network settings. On Windows, open Settings, then go to Network and Internet. Click on Status, then choose Network Reset. Alright, on Android, you'll want to go to Settings, then tap System and select Reset Options. Next, tap Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile, and Bluetooth. For iPhone users, go to Settings, tap General. Then, tap Transfer or Reset iPhone and choose Reset. Finally, tap Reset Network Settings. Step 9. Check your router settings. Use a web browser to log into your router by typing 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1 into the browser address bar. Log in with your admin username and password. Make sure your device is not blocked and check if MAC filtering is on. Disable it if needed. Step 10. Contact your internet provider. If none of the above steps work, your router or connection may have a problem that only your ISP can fix. Just give them a call and explain